We're here at Candlestick Park here with the Niners with a big victory this afternoon here at the Football Limited postgame wrap-up here for BayAreaSports.com or BayAreaSportsWeekly.com. I'm Brian Professor P. Davis. Your San Francisco 49ers, a great win over the New York Giants from the NFC East, 27-20 this afternoon at Candlestick Park. It was a great day for Alex Smith. He threw for over 200 yards. Eli Manning, 26 out of 40 for 311 yards and 2 touchdown passes to the losing cause. The big touchdowns for the 49ers as Smith hooked up with tight end Vernon Davis for a big touchdown as he tried to gravitate over a Giants defender in the end zone for a touchdown and put the Niners ahead. And then the big game clincher for the Giants was a 17-yard run by Kendall Hunter. Game put the Niners in position for a possible win. The Giants, or the Niners defense, stopped the Giants on 4th down as Justin Smith batted a ball from Eli Manning. Niners hang on to win. With the win, the Niners are 8-1 and have control of the NFC West. The Giants dropped to 7-3. Their lead is now down to 1 game in the NFC East over the Cowboys, who won their game as they dominated the Buffalo Bills down at the new Cowboys Stadium down in Arlington, 44-6. The Niners improved to 8-1 as also Dave Akers hit 4 field goals, 36, 52, 39, and 28 points, or 28-yard field goals. As a reminder, BayAreaSportsWeekly.com is the official sponsor for Metro PCS. Four phone lines for $100. That's a great deal. 4 phone lines for just only $100. Visit your Bay Area Metro PCS. Metro PCS is the official sponsor for BayAreaSportsWeekly.com. As a reminder, the 49ers will be back in action next Sunday, 1 week from today. They'll take on the NFC West rival Arizona Cardinals, who defeated the Philadelphia Eagles 21-17. Their record's now 3-6, and the Niners cannot take the Cardinals lightly because this is a divisional opponent. Kickoff time is at 1:05 Pacific Standard Time. And a reminder, the CIF AAA Academic Athletic Association high school playoffs. The Washington Eagles, the defending champs of the AAA, will take on the Lincoln Mustangs up in George Washington. Kickoff time is at 2 o'clock, while the Michigan Bears will take on the Lowell Cardinals at Keystar Stadium. The starting of that time is to be announced. We'll give you more on BayAreaSportsWeekly.com on a later date, sometime in the next few days. Reporting from Candlestick Park, I'm Brian Professor B. Davis. Once again, the final score: San Francisco 49ers 27, New York Giants 20. This has been a 49ers post-game wrap-up from Bay Area Weekly Sports, BayAreaSportsWeekly.com. Thanks for watching.